I'm Daddy. Off camera. Alright. So what we are going to do, Aman?
Germ testing experiment.
Germ testing experiment? How does it even work?
Like how germs run away from good stuff.
Okay, let's see. Let me zoom. What's on your tray, dude?
Some water.
Okay, some water. Alright. So what are the things, what the materials we need for this experiment, Aman?
Water.
Alright.
Plate.
Mm-hmm.
Some mirror.
Alright.
And finally,
The good stuff, right? You're talking about this good stuff? Alright. Okay, so let's begin with the experiment. So first what we need to do?
put the glitter.
Okay, put the glitter on the water. Alright, so we need to sprinkle some glitters on the water. Do you want me to do it?
Yes. I'm putting it this.
Yes.
Glitter.
Okay, so there's germs on the water. So that is actually germs, right? Can you show the viewers the germs more clearly, Aman? So these are bacteria, fungi, and more deadly viruses. All the bacteria are there now. So what is the next step, Aman? Okay, dish soap. Come here. So we need to use the dish. I'll put one drop.
Okay guys, I'll just put one drop of this.
One drop of dish soap. Tapo ki hobe bolo.
And then let's see the magic happen.
Alright, let's see the magic. Whoa, the germs are running away. Look, the germs are not here anymore. Okay, Amma, viewers want to see it again.
This happens.
Thank you very much for now. And we're coming back with more great experiments soon. Thank you.